In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mirror objects and create reflective materials in Cinema 4D. We'll cover 3 reliable ways to mirror geometry, plus a quick setup for a reflective surface. The method you choose depends on whether you want a permanent change, a flexible, non-destructive setup, or just a fast flip to keep moving. First, the mirror tool. You'll find it in the character menu. This is perfect for one-off edits on selected polygons or points. Select the geometry you want to mirror, open the mirror tool, and choose the axis you want to mirror across, like X, Y, or Z. Pay attention to the mirror plane location relative to your model's pivot, since the tool mirrors across that plane. If you're working on half a model and want a clean seam, enable weld or adjust the tolerance to fuse the center line. If you're mirroring an entire mesh, make sure your normals are consistent so shading doesn't flip unexpectedly. This approach is great when you're ready to commit to the change. Next, the symmetry object. This is the go-to for precise, non-destructive mirroring. Create a symmetry object and make your model a child of it. Align the symmetry plane to the axis you need, then position your original half so the seam sits right on the plane. You can enable welding and tweak the tolerance for a seamless join. The big advantage is flexibility. You can keep modeling on one side and see the mirrored result update live. If you need to finalize it, you can always make it editable later, but until then, it's safe and reversible. For quick flips, use a simple scale transformation. Select the object, then set its scale to -1 on the axis you want to mirror. For example, scale X to 1:1. This instantly flips the object without extra setup. Be aware that negative scales can invert normals. If the shading looks off afterward, recalculate or reverse normals to fix it. Also check the object's axis. Mirroring happens around that pivot, so reposition the axis if the flip doesn't land where you expect. Finally, to create a reflective surface, apply a standard material. Increase the metalness to push the look toward a metallic reflection, and adjust roughness to control how sharp or blurry the reflections appear. Lower roughness gives crisp reflections. Higher roughness softens them. Remember, reflections need something to reflect, so ensure your scene has geometry or lighting that can appear in the surface. With these controls, you can dial in everything from polished chrome to brushed metal, all within a few tweaks.